Welcome students, I am Satish Kumar Sinha, physics teacher. Today we are going to discuss Ohm's law and its verification. Before this, first we discuss about potential difference. Potential difference between 2 points in an electric field is defined as the work done in bringing a unit positive test charge from one point to another. Potential difference is denoted by letter V. It is a scalar quantity. If W joule of work is done in moving Q coulomb charge from one point to the other point, then potential difference between 2 points is given by V is equal to W by Q. That is work done by charge. So W is equal to VQ. Unit of potential difference. Potential difference is measured in volt in SI unit. We know that potential difference is equal to work done by charge. SI unit of potential difference is volt. SI unit of work is joule and SI unit of electric charge is coulomb. So 1 volt is equal to 1 joule per 1 coulomb. Electric potential difference between 2 points is said to be 1 volt if 1 joule of work is done in moving 1 coulomb charge from one point to another. These are the symbols of the commonly used components in the electric circuit diagram. First one is electric cell, battery, plug key, open and close, wire joint, wire crossing without joining, electric bulb, resistance, variable resistance, rheostat, ammeter, voltmeter and electric fuse. Now what is ammeter? An ammeter is a device used to measure the electric current passes through the electric circuit. An ammeter is always connected in series in any electrical circuit. An ammeter has low resistance. Voltmeter. Voltmeter is a device used to measure potential difference between 2 points across a resistor. It is always connected in parallel in any electric circuit. A voltmeter has a high resistance. It is a high resistance device so that it takes a negligible current from the circuit. Ohm's law. What is the statement of Ohm's law? The potential difference across the ends of a conductor is directly proportional to the electric current flowing through it, provided all the physical conditions and the temperature should be remains constant. If I current flows through the conductor under the potential difference of 1 volt, then according to Ohm's law, V is directly proportional to I. V is equal to Ri. So V by I is equal to R, that is constant, where R is the constant of proportionality and it is known as resistance of the conductor. This is the circuit diagram for the verification of Ohm's law. In this circuit diagram. One resistance wires is there, that is R, and in this circuit diagram ammeter is connected in series, voltmeter is connected in parallel to the resistor whose resistance is R, and also we connected cell and key. Now first we fix the value of rheostat and noted down the readings of ammeter and voltmeter. For the fixed value of the rheostat, first we noted down the value of potential difference V from voltmeter reading. Then we will find that the corresponding value of the ammeter is 0.5 ampere. Then resistance R is equal to V by I. So 1 divided by 0.5 is equal to 2 ohm. Second reading, ammeter's reading 1 ampere, voltmeter's reading 2 volt. So R is equal to 2 by 1, that is 2 ohm. Third set reading, ammeter's reading 1.5 ampere, voltmeter reading 3 volt. So R is equal to 3 divided by 1.5, which is equal to 2 ohm. The fourth set reading, potential difference is 4 volt, current is 2 ampere. So resistance R is equal to 4 by 2, which is equal to 2 ohm. From this observation we will observe that what we conclude from the above observation. V by I, that is the ratio of potential difference and current, is 2 ohm constant. So V by I is equal to constant and V is equal to constant into I. So V is directly proportional to I. This verifies the Ohm's law. Thank you.